Good evening, everybody. It is April the 14th, 2019. It is 6:30. This will be your evening report. Before I get started, I owe you guys an apology. I lost my cool with USGS and EMSC today for upgrading, downgrading, and I apologize for that. That was not professional. All right? I hope you guys can accept my apology. It will not happen again. All right? All right, here is your evening earthquake reports. There was a 2.9 Central California at 14 miles northeast of Soledad. They have that at 2.4 miles in depth. I'm sorry, guys. I'm reading notes, okay? There was a 3.7 Chile at 64 miles in depth. A 4.3 China. Okay, now China came across with it as a 4.3 at 5.0 miles in depth. And EMSC said it was a 4.4, then upgraded that to a 4.7 at 5.5 miles in depth. GFZ had it at a 4.4. All right. There was a 3.4 Chile upgraded to a 3.5 at 44.7 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Turkey upgraded to a 3.5 at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.9 Indonesia at 8.0 miles in depth. A 4.1 near the coast of Ecuador, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 Chiapas, Mexico at 52.1 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 Mexico, Oaxaca, Mexico, that came in at 11.1 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 El Salvador at 30.4 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 upgraded to a 4.6 northeastern Iran at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.5 Kuril Island, Russia region, and that came in at 31.6 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth, and then a 3.0 Central Italy at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, guys, that's what I have for the evening report. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are just totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. I'm sure there'll be a midnight report, so I'll talk at you then. You be safe out there. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy day today to watch the earthquake reports. All right? Have a good evening.